Farmer charged with murder in Manchester. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A Manchester farmer has been charged following the fatal stabbing of 40-year-old Garth Wright, a mason of Huntley District in the parish on Thursday, December the 16th. Charged with murder is 27-year-old Amaria Wilson, otherwise called Pinch, also of Huntley District. Reports are that sometime about 7:40 a.m., both men were at a bar when a dispute developed between them. Wilson allegedly used a knife to stab White in the abdomen. White was taken to hospital where he succumbed to his injuries the following day. Wilson was arrested by police and the knife seized. He was charged following witness statement given by the public and also him giving a caution statement to the police. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.